Ever wondered why the skin around your mouth appears darker than the rest of your face? This common skin condition, known as hyperpigmentation, arises from the excess production of melanin in certain areas, creating patches that are darker than your natural skin tone. Hyperpigmentation can affect anyone, regardless of age or skin type, and is often a result of sunspots or melasma, a condition usually seen in pregnant women due to hormonal changes. Another factor that can cause this discoloration is exposure to different weather conditions. Sun exposure, burns or injuries can all contribute to dark patches around your lips. Even in cold weather, frequently licking your lips can discolor the skin, making it appear darker. A deficiency in certain vitamins, such as vitamin B12 and D, can also lead to skin hyperpigmentation. A study conducted in 2018 found that a deficiency in vitamin D was a significant cause of melasma, particularly in individuals who had limited exposure to sunlight. But don't fret, there are natural remedies you can use to treat this condition. Most of these ingredients can be found right in your kitchen. Firstly, an oatmeal scrub can help brighten the skin and remove dead skin cells. To make this, combine oatmeal, tomato pulp, and olive oil, and gently apply to your skin in a circular motion, paying particular attention to the darkened area around your lips. Secondly, lemon juice is an excellent remedy to lighten the skin thanks to its citric acid content. Simply cut a lemon in half and rub one half on the dark patch around your lips for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. For those with dry to very dry skin, adding a bit of honey to the lemon juice can be beneficial. However, remember to use this remedy in the evening and avoid sun exposure afterwards. Lemon can dry out the skin, so always moisturize after using it. For those with sensitive skin, test a small area first due to the potential for inflammation. Lastly, massaging half a raw potato on the darkened areas for about 20 minutes can be effective. Potatoes have natural bleaching qualities, and this treatment is particularly good for those with sensitive skin. In summary, while hyperpigmentation around the mouth can be caused by various factors including sun exposure, cold weather, and vitamin deficiencies, there are natural remedies available to help lighten these dark patches. Whether it's an oatmeal scrub, lemon juice, or a raw potato, these simple and natural solutions can help restore your skin's natural tone and brightness. So, go ahead and give these remedies a try. You might just be surprised by the results. So do like, share, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.